In today's video, I'm going to teach you how can you upload PDF to QuickBooks 2026 step by step. If you've got a bill sitting in your inbox or on your desktop and you want it stored neatly inside QuickBooks Online, attached right to the bill it belongs to, this walkthrough is for you. We'll sign in, locate the correct option, upload the PDF, let QuickBooks read the key details, and then review and save everything so it's filed correctly. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the plus button labeled New. This is your hub for creating transactions. Clicking it opens a panel with categories like customers and vendors. If you don't see the button right away, it's usually near the top left or top center, depending on your screen size, and you may need billing permissions to use this feature. In the Vendors section, choose Upload Bills. This option is designed specifically to take a document and turn it into a bill with the details pre-filled for you. It's a great way to reduce manual entry and keep the source document attached to the transaction for audit trails and quick reference later. Now it's time to add your PDF. You can drag and drop the file straight onto the upload area or click Browse to select it from your computer. Either method works the same. For best results, use a clear, legible PDF. If it's a scan, make sure text is crisp and right side up. Descriptive file names can also help you recognize documents at a glance later. Once the file is in, QuickBooks automatically scans the document and pulls out key fields it detects, typically including the vendor name, the bill date, and the total amount. Think of this as a head start, not the final word. The system is fast and helpful, but it can misread items if the layout is unusual or the image is fuzzy. Take a moment to review everything. Confirm the vendor is correct, the date matches the document, and the amount is accurate. If anything looks off, simply overwrite it with the right information. This is also a good time to check tax amounts, currency, and any notes you want to keep with the bill, so it's easy to find later. When you're satisfied, click Save. That's it. Your bill is created, and the PDF is automatically attached to it. You can open the bill at any time to view the document, download it, or share it with your accountant. This simple process keeps